In this video, I'll detail how to send SOS location and message to a messaging contact whenever you're trying to put a call through or call on an emergency number on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So this could be on your predefined contact or when you are trying to call 911 as emergency. So if you don't know this video, you found this video for informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to send location through SOS emergency or send a message to your SOS contact, all you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. So one on the settings page, scroll down until you get to safety and emergency and click on that. Then once you select that, come down here and locate emergency SOS. Then swipe down. Locate send SOS to emergency contact. Turn this on. So once you click on that, here you'll be prompted to see your emergency contact. That's my emergency contact. You can go ahead and add under emergency contact. Now again, attach pictures. Take picture with the front and rear camera, including them in your message. Then here, then you can also record audio. Attach your recording. Record 5 seconds of audio and include it in your message. Then you need to allow this application to use your microphone. Then tap start emergency sharing. Then you set this. Your current location and updated every 15 minutes for up to 24 hours if your location changes. If your phone runs out of battery, picture taken with front camera and rear camera, then click on start. So once you enable this, that is your emergency contact sharing. You see SOS to emergency number. Whenever you try to put a call through on the SOS emergency contact, just like this, and you see emergency sharing started. So this is going to send message to your SOS contact and it's going to send the picture or the person with your phone to the SOS contact, including audio. So that's how you can easily send SOS emergency contact messages and location on Samsung Galaxy device. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.